Avengers. It is believed that a new evil scientist has emerged, Bat Vader, and he's attempting to take over the world by building a stratifying titanium alloy dipolated Death Star in an old movie theater in Fenton, Michigan. We believe this madman has an alter ego as a teacher at Fenton High School. Your mission is to foil Bat Vader's plans. We've made arrangements for you to begin tomorrow as teachers at Fenton High School. Good luck.
Welcome, Avengers. Thank you for choosing Fenton High School. We are so proud of all the work you do and all the times you've saved the world. However, before we get started, there are just a few things we need to discuss.
You know, I've been checking the handbook here, and I'm afraid we have a few items that don't meet our guidelines with regard to our policies. So after talking with Director Fury, we have a few minor adjustments to make.
Thor, I'm going to need that hammer.
No one dares to touch the God of Thunder's hammer.
Sorry, rules are rules. There's your hammer.
So puny.
Hawkeye, I'm going to need the crossbow. There's your new one. Dr. Banner, that should help relieve the stress a little bit. Captain America, your new shield.
Don't worry, Cap. We've dealt with the most evil villains in the world. This is high school. They're kids. What's the worst that could happen?
Luke, I am your father. Join me on the dark side.
Jarvis, I need an idea on this kid.
I got this.
No more paper weapons!
Oops, I think I got a little carried away.
Well, if they would have followed the student code of conduct, it probably wouldn't happen in the first place.
Humans, today I'm here to teach you about rainbows. You see, when Asgard connects with Midgard, what you people call Earth, the two realms connect by the Bifrost Bridge, and that creates a magical spectrum, which is a rainbow. Yes, tiny mortal.
Mr. Thor, in our book, it says that that's not where rainbows come from. It says that rainbows are caused when raindrops act as tiny prisms separating white light into different colors.
You dare to argue with the Norse god of thunder?
No, I'm just telling you how it is. Oh my gosh!
Oh my, dude!
My book! What are you doing? They're trying to make up a quiz.
Dr. Banner, you know anything about the fax machine in the staff lounge that was destroyed?
Hulk smash!
No. Come to think of it, I saw Mr. Powers walking there after school. You might want to check with him. I hear he's got a temper.
Avengers, assemble!
We're all here.
Listen, I understand the reason that you're all here, but I was promised that there would be no disruptions to my school, and that just seems to be a problem for all of you. From this point forward, I think it's best that I remove all of you from classroom duty. Yes, Dr. Banner?
That can make some of us angry, and I don't think that
I know, Bruce, I know. We wouldn't like you when you're angry.
Hi, Dr. Banner. A student left a paper for you.
Ow! Paper cut! Hulk smash! Hulk gumbo!
Get the Avengers, my minions!
Did you guys hear that? It must be Bat Vader. Avengers, assemble!
Hit him hard, minions!
Target down there, Nacho Day!
Oh, let's see who's under this mask.
Father?
Old man K-Sack!
I could have conquered the world if it weren't for you meddling Avengers.
Zoinks! I thought you said working at a high school is supposed to be easy.
It appears I miscalculated.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to take on an easy mission. Like fighting the Screed, Kroll, and the Masters of Evil all